Hey guys, Greg McLeod here from the Elite Traders University and the Forex Cash Machine, and it is the 28th of April 2021. It's basically the last Wednesday of April, and we had a wonderful, awesome presentation. Thank you guys for showing up for the Best Times to Trade webinar. We got the replay posted in the Facebook group, and meanwhile, I'm just taking some trades here on the dollar yen, and right now we're long dollar yen. After getting short, you got short for 12 pips on a trend line break, and some of my indicators are forecasting price to go higher. So we just went ahead and just built a bottom here and just start getting a lot of trades in here on the long side. And my internet's kind of glitchy. I'm not sure what's going on, but you see a reversal of this downward move from a triangle. Nice triangle there. We had nice risk, and then we had a move, really sharp, fast move. So looking for a fast, sharp move back up from the bottom of the 108.70 area. Looking for maybe return back to the 108.90 area, but I have some take profits along the way, and 7 pips and 8 pips and 16 pips at the top. So we'll go ahead and see what's going on there. Keep you updated, and there's still a couple of days left to take advantage of the special training offer that's in the forexmarkettiming.com. So if you want to join that, that's 2 hours of coaching by me live, and it's going to be a beta for our new course rolling out, and it's going to be a special price of $497, about $19,000 of value, and that's going to debut at $997. But for the first 10 or so people, we're going to have that available for $497, and you can go to www.forexmarkettiming.com. FOREX timing TIMING.com. Okay. I look forward to seeing you there, and there'll be this Saturday is the first session that we will have, and I'm also throwing in for the first 5 people to sign up that will have live trading, in the middle of the peanut butter and jelly on the Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Times to be announced, and I'll see if we have any interest in that. There's a lot of people asking about it, and so it should be a really good way for you to look over my shoulder and see me scalp the market like I'm doing right now. Okay, so again, a little bit of a pullback here. Again, you can go to forexmarkettiming.com, and I'll even pull up the website so you can have a gander and see if that's right for you. It's a good opportunity for you to get introduced to my training. www.forexmarkettiming.com. And about 2 days and 12 hours, and your virtual tickets $497 plus 8 free bonuses worth $19,844. And you can scroll right down the page there. Talks about me and what I've done, some social proof of people I've helped, and a lot of good information here, where you learn more about what you're getting into. 81 videos, Mr. Robot signals, signal service, and for a year. And actually, for a year, $57 a month. That's about what 57 times 12, right? $6,000, right? It's a little bit more than that. But let me get a calculator up. 57 times. I haven't had my coffee yet, so my math is $684, right? So let me get in there and change that. Yeah, it's $684 value there for 1 year. Okay. And then our bonus Facebook group, and then our private coaching session, and then $5,000 scholarship toward platinum lifetime. Okay. So virtual ticket, we take Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, and we'll look forward to seeing you on Saturday. Okay. In the meantime, got a nice little pullback here, back to support. You're gonna draw another trend line across the top here. And I got a nice big candle there. A nice juicy candle. If you're gonna give it to me, I will take it from you. At most, we should get a retest of 108.70. I'm actually looking for a breakout of this zone right here. I can draw a. And the great thing about the Saturday training that we're going to do is we're going to be using my Forex simulator. So we're actually be practicing on historical data. Being able to buy and sell on a Saturday, which is pretty cool. And that way you can practice with zero money, and then after that, you'll get into a groove where we can actually work with each other on that week. Maybe I'll play a little computer chess on the side. Sometimes I'll do that while I'm waiting. Usually it's a couple minutes to wait. Check me, right? Build my house. Check. Does a lot of checking here. So you can see that buyer stepped in. When we hit that zone, I'm probably going to go nuts with orders. So you break this little area here, right there. Break that, a bunch of stops at 108.77. Once those stops get triggered, we'll see a nice cascade of orders or buys into the 108.85, and I won't be alone. I'll have a bunch of people on my side back me up. But here we go. And I'm standing on the ready, and we are penetrating, and we're testing, and we got break. So I just unleashed each one of those orders, $1 million a clip. Again, it's 10:45 a.m. We just had a news cycle. We had the trade balance that came out, U.S. trade balance. The actual was negative 90.59. Previous number was minus 885 or 88. No, minus 88. Okay, that dollar. The dollar's on the other side, right? So we had some economic news, low impact, and this is gonna reverse it. This is, we're getting into the lunchtime reversal, so we had to move down, and Now we're probably gonna, getting our a little early for the lunchtime reversal, 10:46 a.m. Eastern time. Make sure my clocks are right. So we broke that, so we should start hitting some stops, and you should see some fireworks spark up. And I'll post this video in the Facebook group. But it's a lot of fun, guys, when you learn how to trade properly. And usually I have this is the wrong period chart here. I need a dollar yen chart. I'm not really looking at the euro right now. Bum 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 bum. Dollar yen. Let's be here we go. Fireworks starting. Boom. Orders hit. Look, oh, there we go, baby. Hit me. Pay me. Pay me. Pay me. You guys see that? Getting paid. Getting paid. Oh, and the community's getting paid too. Awesome. Good job. Pip and runners. Why buy and hold when you can pip and run? Watch this get hit. Again, I bought the bottom. I told you that we had that line, and then we have a break. I've been doing this for like 25 years, so but see, I got a guy named Jan hitting 98% win rate in simulation. He's going to be a beast when he gets into the live market. A beast. I train my people up in simulation. I move them to demo. Once they can beat and destroy a demo account, they can double it, they can triple it, and then I move them to small amounts of money, $500, $100. They can double and triple a $500 account. Then they start scaling. They can scale that account. They can scale it to 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 50,000, 100,000, because I've given them the foundation. And the foundation is not cheap. It takes time, and time is money. My time is money, because I can make as much money as they pay me to do coaching or mentorship. I can make that in a couple of minutes, right? But I do enjoy teaching. I do enjoy helping people do what I do, and it's my way of giving back to the planet. But I find that many people who don't invest in their training and don't have any skin in the game, they don't do that well. You give them something for free and they just discard it. They treat it with disrespect. When you have your money on the line invested, you want to get a rate of return. When I enrolled in mentorship, I want to get my money's worth. And if the program was quality, I most certainly did. I made much, much more money than I invested. If the training was so-so, then no. But that's why you have to be very selective. Just throwing, $5,000, $6,000, $7,000, $8,000 around, without doing research is not too bright. But if you have a quality program and it's at a premium price, then it's probably premium for a reason. And if you look at the social proof and the evidence and the credentials of the person teaching it, I worked for a bank. I worked for Bank of America. I worked for Pepperstone Brokerage in Australia. I worked for Forex Capital Markets. I was an advisor to Xenia Brokerage in the Cayman Islands. And I worked for Forex Capital Markets, Daily FX, and my articles are all over the internet, and I've had a YouTube channel since 2010 and Twitter presence since 2010. So there's plenty of social proof, plenty of evidence to show you that I'm the real deal. So the problem is not me or my system. The issue is you. Can you believe in yourself? Do you think you're worth it to invest in this quality program that can change your life. And if you don't, then I can't help you. You have to believe that you can do it, that you are up for the challenge. Because there's nothing wrong with my program. My program rocks. And, if I never sold another course again, I'll be fine. But it's you who are listening to this and missing this opportunity. And so I'm just here to nudge you, because some people need a little bit of nudging, because they either invested in something in the past that sucked and they don't want to get burned again, or they just are just naturally cheap. And if you're really cheap, you can't trade, because right now I'm down a little bit, right? And what will happen is, if you're really super cheap, you'll close everything out, or you'll cut your losers, you'll let your losers run, and then you won't invest in your winners. You won't take the winners because you suspect everything. So I just find people like that they shouldn't trade. They love the allure of making money, but they have a scarcity mindset. And because they have a scarcity mindset, they can't release money, and they cannot grow, and they cannot prosper. So they're constantly looking for handouts, looking for freebies, and they're constantly looking for money, and they're always short. So ironically, though they're so concerned about money, they never have any. And that's a poor mindset. And that's what keeps people middle class, because they're scared of becoming poor. And if you live with that fear, then you become poor anyway. What you hold in conscious mind objectifies in your reality. So we're looking for maybe a final push, and I probably could have closed all that out. Just for what I've done. That's what we've done today. Just a few minutes we did today, $7,524.21. Just today, just in a few minutes. First trade started at 9:01, last trade 9:47, and basically 46 minutes, $7,000. And counting, and more, and there's more, right? Price came back, and RTTSC returned to the scene of the crime, and now we're moving on up like George and Wheezy. Now I might just start harvesting and start saying, like, I'll take some here. That's $400 there, $300 there. I can take some there, another 500, 463, 472, 500, and then these are gonna all go by themselves, probably 6 pips. And I might just help them out a little bit. Well, there we go. Hands free. And I got this loser from Aussie. Oh, there we go. Everybody go. And then here we go. And we're going to cut this one. I'll take loss on that one. And then I'll take this. Okay. So I had this Aussie dollar loss, 20 pips. Right. Yeah. So 20. Still come out. One loss and still come out $14,000. Right. And so I'm doing this right now. I'm going to load this video into YouTube and Facebook group, and then you can, So anyway, like I said, every day that you don't learn how to do this is a loss, in the loss column for you, right? Because this opportunity existed and you didn't take it. You know, that's just the kind of like the harsh reality of, you know, finally I had a student that watched me back in the, you know, back years ago, 5-6 years ago. He finally joined, and I said, why didn't you join? And he goes, well, I didn't believe that you're doing all that. And see, it's still going up, right? I picked the bottom. Look, I took it short, picked the bottom, and chose the reversal, and got out and made money, right? Because what? Bears get fed, bulls get fed, and pigs get slaughtered. And the key, you know, the thing is, the takeaway here is don't be a pig, right? And I wasn't a pig. But, so there you go. But anyway, you know, I figure I go, you saw me trade live in 2012. That was 9 years ago. If you made an additional $10,000 a month, 120,000 times 9 years, you made $1 million if you had stuck with me, right? And he blew his capital on all kinds of different stuff, right? So anyway, but the important thing is he's joined, and he's getting better and better each and every day. And you can see that. Well, here we go. We return back to the scene of the crime. Full on reversal to the trend line. All right, guys. Anyway, what you want to do is go over to Forex Market Timers. Go to www.forexmarkettiming.com and sign up. It'll change links, you know. And there's 2 days, 12 hours, and you can make, and there's all kinds of bonuses there that you can take from me. So sign up. Talk to you soon. Happy pippin'. Cheers. Bye.